How to find Windows product key. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with easy ways in order to find that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So the method number one we can use is we can use command prompt, which works for most of the pieces. So you can type in Windows plus R on your keyboard and there just type in CMD and hit enter, and you can just go and copy and paste this command right here, which is this one. So go over and type in, paste in this command, hit enter, and it will give you if your PC has a key stored in BIOS, it will show up it in this section. Apart from that, we can use PowerShell if that does not work. So what we can do is we can go to Windows PowerShell admin. So you can just go over, type in PowerShell, and look out for run as administrator, and run this as your administrator on your device, and again paste in this command right here. So you may hit over and paste in this command and hit enter, and again you can look out for your product key here. You can use this method as well sometimes. Even if this does not work, we can check Windows settings. So go to settings for that, and within settings go to system, look out for activation option, and within activation you can look out for activation state, and there you can look out for your product key here as well. You can look out for your activation status. If you see that Windows is activated with a digital license, then no key is shown, so you can just go over and look out for, check out this section as well. Or we can use registry editor, which is the advanced method. So for that we can go to Windows plus R, type in regedit, hit enter, and allow changes to your device. And once you've allowed the changes, what you can do is you can expand HKey local machine. After that, find software, expand it. Within software, go to Microsoft and expand Microsoft as well. And within Microsoft, look out for Windows here. So you can scroll down, find Windows section, Windows NT, and then drop this option down as well. And for Windows NT, look out for current version and expand current version. And after that, look out for software protection platform. So you can scroll down, go to the S section, and look out for software protection platform. And there on your right hand side, you can just go and look out for backup product key default. So in this section you can find it. You can just go over and look out for the valid data. That is your product key that you may be looking for. This is it. And if your Windows is pre-installed, you can check sticker on your laptop or CPU or email from the Microsoft. That should also work out. And these are probably the method you can follow up if you want to look out for your product key. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.